This month, we have a partial complete moon, a lunar eclipse inside the sign of Taurus. This is then followed by means of a total solar eclipse, which again to occur till early December. The Scorpio new moon brings some blended energies, and is probably to be a time of reflection and retreat. On a new moon, the sky is going dark, and the moon disappears from our celestial sky. Just like the moon, we too may locate ourselves desiring a few alone time to sit with our deeper thoughts and feelings. We may actually locate ourselves trying to shield our strength and close out the noise of the outdoor world. Taking that journey deep within ourselves is what is supported under this new moon. Lunar eclipses usually result in endings and are considered points of closure, while sun eclipses commonly carry new beginnings and are considered factors of new possibility. They are able to bring fated occasions that help push us into the following chapter of our evolution. Underneath this Taurus eclipse, we might also look at ourselves bringing closure to things in our lives that not serve us. Taurus is the signal related to the earth, the environment, and how we are the use of the earth as assets. So this can be something within the highlight right now. As Venus makes its way through Capricorn over the approaching months and into the new year, it'll deliver up problems relating to our relationships, finances, and things of the heart. On a worldwide level, this power can stir troubles, set up structures, and female health. Anything issues arise, whether or not globally or in my view, are likely arising to the surface, so we will take responsibility for them and locate new approaches of coming near them. Capricorn strength is all about taking duty for what we are growing. As that is a new eclipse cycle, it's far likely that anything manifests could be a part of a bigger tale that will unfold in the new year to come. This sends lovely cosmic vibrations through the sky, which we can use to create more healthy partnerships in our lives and hook up with the power and understanding of our hearts. This power actually helps us to recognize the importance of positive relationships and how we can build stronger bonds with people who we love. While we step into a place of alignment, we are also able to entice all that we need from an area of ease. While we are in a nation of alignment, that we need is automatically what we prefer. To use this energy, deliver your awareness to your personal emotions of alignment. What makes you feel most aligned? What moves can you take to carry your thoughts, body, and soul into a state of oneness?